because there aren't enough school psychologists and counsellors, then what people have tried to do, realising the need and in all good faith, is to try and put other people into the system. So you start with school chaplains. School chaplains are not supposed to counsel, but they do.
Can you tell me what risks having school chaplains pose in school environments in terms of dealing with mental health issues with young people?
Your first point, Fiona, was that perhaps school counsellors and psychologists aren't well trained. Let's look at school chaplains.
Right.
Let's look at the lack of training. It's not anything personal about those people employed who have the best intentions in the world. They're told not to counsel. They have to be religious in a secular school. We cannot understand how in secular schools, and that they have to be Christians, and that with our multicultural society and our religions in our society, that we in a secular school, when we have plenty of religious schools, if parents feel strongly about that, why that is. And then we know that they don't cost much. Principals will say, oh, at least they're another adult in the school. At least they're another helping adult. At least they can take the child who's crying and sit them down and give them a drink of water. Why don't you have some parents come in and do that if that's what they're doing? I can't see the value of having religious people, like religious education. People want their children educated in that way, but not in a secular school, and not only in one religion.